Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tricknology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to remove encrypted Excel password. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, what you have to do, you just need to put the password for your Excel file over there and click on OK. After get this screen, go to the file and click on info over there. Click on info. Now click on protect workbook. Now click on encrypt with password. Now here you just need to remove the password from here. Just select all the password and press backspace, and after that click on OK. Now if you will click on save and close your Excel file and reopen it, it will not show you again the password prompt. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.